What's up everyone, Alessandro here. I hope that you're gonna have a very nice Sunday, guys, because it is summer, we have vacation time, and of course we're gonna have a look into Bitcoin right now, into some altcoins, and also gonna maybe open up a live trade with you today. We're gonna have a look into that, guys, but first of all I want to introduce you to BitUnix, this nice crypto exchange where we have right now some very nice bonuses going on right now, and even giveaways based on your trading volume. So definitely sign up right now, guys. And also I'm gonna open up a live trade, I guess today, right now with you guys. Of course, everything is no financial advice, just my own opinions, my own price observations, and the TA and the expectations and so on. So keep that in mind, guys. This is all my own opinions, and also if you want to be on board here, then of course be subscribed on this channel, and also feel free to leave a like and maybe also subscribe here, because we are going to do also a nice giveaway very soon, guys. I know that you were waiting for a very long time. We have with every 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, always a nice giveaway running of $100 worth of meme coins, and maybe this time it will be bonk, or is it Peggy penguins? Maybe we will see, guys, we will see, but probably today we're gonna do a nice giveaway selection. And of course also check out all links in the video description to the new upcoming crypto projects that I'm buying up right now, that you can of course also join, because I think that a nice altcoin season is in front of us. And also the link to BitUnix I'm gonna put here right at the top, guys. Use the BitUnix link, I have it also here, but I'm gonna drop it at the top, because then you can participate of course on this nice giveaway system that they have right now. They're offering to us, to our community, this special VIP 3 if you deposit at least $100, which is nothing. With $100 deposit you can also get $40 futures bonus, and even more if you put more, of course. And depending on your trading volume that you can see here, even up to 150 millions, you can get a futures bonus of $2,000 and also a nice vacation in Dubai. And since it is vacation time, of course it would be great to go to Dubai right now and experience 50 degrees hot weather out there. So just joking, guys, you can of course also go later on when the temperatures again dropping. So that's why check out this special event on BitUnix. And of course, feel free to subscribe here on this channel, and also over on my X, TikTok, Telegram, Instagram account, and so on. I'm posting everywhere, also from my private life in different channels here as well. Also try out Odyssey and BitChute, new decentralized YouTube channels. We have to push them, guys, because we want decentralization and of course also censor-free stuff. And that's why. Let's dive here straight into Bitcoin, the best asset in the world in my opinion. So no financial advice, but in my opinion Bitcoin is the king and will be always the king. But of course we also gonna have a look into new upcoming coins like Bitcoin Hyper, Token 6900, and so on. We have a bunch of new coins also coming up, guys, that I'm buying, hoping to have this performance here. And I just noticed that also this one over here just pumped nicely, not today, but in the last 7 days, right? Yeah, 10%. We are at $2 now, SPX 6900, guys. This one is also a crazy coin. The next one is Token 6900. This one over here, I'm also buying into this one here. Hopefully it will be the next one after SPX 6900 to pump. We will see. If you want to get on board, link in the video description here, Token 6900. Let's hope that this one is going to be a good one, because Bitcoin, in my opinion, is about to go into new all-time highs, and it's just a matter of when, because right now, at least during the whole bull run, we always see pump, consolidation, pump, consolidation, pump, consolidation, and so on. And in my opinion, also right now, we are seeing a consolidation before the next pump, and therefore we have to be prepared for that. I'm buying always every now and then more and more Bitcoin and more altcoins, doesn't matter, even if I believe that we're gonna have another pullback or something like that, I still keep accumulating more and more. But what I am doing is of course also shorting and longing the Bitcoin price or other cryptos whenever I see a good trading setup. And right now on the daily time frame, we are coming down to this important support level at 117k. As long as we basically keep the daily closes above $117,000, we are getting supported by the median line of the candle channels here and the 20 daily moving average. If we would see a daily close below, it open up the gate down to $110,000, this previous resistance, now new support of course that we had here. So watch out for that. But as long as we are above here, of course, I think that we're just gonna see here a consolidation phase before a new all-time highs again. And keep in mind, on the CME chart, we closed at $117,860. The CME gap was almost closed, so it is possible that we're gonna see once more here a retest of 115, 114K maybe in this upcoming week. It should end up in a good buy opportunity, in my opinion. I definitely gonna buy more. But right now, I believe that we could see one more last leg down, maybe to retest here the $110,000 area, maybe 115, 114, somewhere there. And this, of course, will end up in a good buy opportunity, in my opinion. But right now, in the immediate short term, just based because of the CME close and the Bitcoin price that we have right now on the spot chart, I think that another little leg down is possible. And I am currently a bit front running now this trade setup, but here in the 3-hour time frame, as you can see, we are entering into overbought condition, and I think that we're gonna continue to chop around here before we head higher, of course. But I think that we most likely gonna chop around here a bit more. Maybe, as I told you, maybe even see something like this, scare everyone out of the market, and then boom, pump and continue to the upside. This is what I'm expecting here, what my gut feeling is telling me, and also based on the daily time frame, we are cooling off nicely, so I think a continuation to the upside is very likely incoming. On the weekly, still a bit toppy, but on the 3-hour time frame, I want to take this trade, and that's why I'm gonna open up now a trade here on BitUnix, guys. If you want to follow me, of course, use these deposit bonuses that we have right now here on BitUnix. You just have to sign up with my link. You can create a new account. Even if you have already an account, you can do another one, because here no KYC needed. The VPN is possible, but also without VPN you can use it. A lot of bonuses, a lot of trading events, and so on. You can also just use here, for example, the new token splash system. You can use the BitUnix Academy. If you're new in trading, you can read all tutorials here as well. And then, of course, you also have task centers where you can get some extra bonuses if you fulfill some data. And do copy trading, earn features, and so on. We're gonna focus here into the futures trading. I put here now $500, and we're gonna now open up a short position, guys, because I think, as I told you, that here we maybe can do a little bit of scalp trading. If we would see 4-hour closes above this resistance currently at the top side of the calendar channels at around 120K, then I would close my trade, of course, because then we would break out to the other direction. But if everything is going as I'm expecting it right now, that we could see here a drop, then of course we can keep up the short open until we get again buy signals, and then of course switch into a long, for example, or just wait for the good trading setup. But for now, I would definitely short. Also here in the 1-hour time frame, we're building bearish divergences, as you can see. Money flow is increasing. This is good. We could see like another big push to the upside, maybe to retest under 20K. That is possible. Also here on the 15-minute time frame, you can see that we are in theory still in an uptrend. We are not trading below the 200 moving average in the 15-minute, and also we are in here for a nice push to the upside. So it is possible that maybe we're gonna retest, let's say 118,500, somewhere there. Maybe we could see in the next 1 or 2 hours this price retest. But as I told you guys, the CME is closed at $117,860, and therefore, yeah, let's open up our short position just to demonstrate you how you can trade here and how you can reach, for example, here this trading volume, and then you can basically get all those bonuses here. And whenever you're opening up and closing a trade, guys, remember that whenever you're opening up and closing a trade, you're gonna have like double the position of your trade, because once you have the volume from your opening trade and then from the closing trade, so double the volume. So for example, if I open up now a trade of $1,000 and then I close it, then I have a trading volume of $2,000 and not just of $1,000, just that you know that. And with $500 and 10x leverage, I can now, for example, open up a $5,000 position with 10x leverage. I just select here the price, for example, $118,500, and I put all of them here into a short. As you can see here, I click here, open up short position. Once the price would reach $118,500, that would be my price target that I want that it's reached to execute my trade in order to enter into a short and write this thing down and then switch back into a long, and so on. This is scalp trading. This has of course nothing to do with your long-term portfolio. So this is what I'm going to do. Open up a short here. You see my liquidation price would be at where? Here, $130,000. And you see, no fee currently. Estimated fee deduction from bonus. Yeah, all good. And confirm. So now you go here to open trades, and you see here, once the price would reach $118,500, which I think is very, very likely here in the next coming hours, because yeah, I think one more little leg up before coming down is possible based on the 15-minute time frame. I gonna keep this price here. And yeah, let's hope that this trade is going to be executed, but otherwise, of course, I am bullish for Bitcoin. I am expecting here more upside, and yeah, that's why I think we maybe have 1 or 2 weeks left to get in here before we go again parabolic. Of course, no financial advice, but I think that also time-wise, we are in a very parabolic time here for Bitcoin. And of course, also for the altcoins, Ethereum is still pushing nicely here to the upside. I think that we're going to reach very soon, latest in 2-3 weeks, I guess, the $4,200 resistance. If Ethereum would break this one here, then I think we're going to start here a massive parabolic altcoin season. And of course, also Ethereum would go parabolic towards the $10,000 level, especially here $11,500. That would be, in theory, in my opinion, the next major resistance that we would have here at 11,500. This previous support, now new resistance, and also the next FIB extension here, the 1.5. Because Ethereum very often is going close to the 1.5 from previous cycle tops and bull run tops and bear market bottoms, and that's why a price target, in my opinion, is very likely to be reached long term. And otherwise, also the other altcoins are doing great. Of course, Tron still in a huge uptrend, about to break out right now. Solana as well is currently breaking out. Also for Solana, I'm very bullish. I still expect that Solana will reach prices at around 2K. It is, of course, still moonboyish targets, but based on this breakout, in theory, it is very likely to be incoming. Of course, no financial advice, but just my own opinions, guys. Ordinals, let's hope that this one also will come back. BRC20 tokens at the moment depressing, but you see here, once we're breaking out here to the upside, also here we can, at some point we will break out, and then of course we could reach targets at much higher levels. I think here also at like a 10x or more is likely. We will see. No financial advice, guys, but I like the ordinals very much. I'm owning a lot of them as well, even though it is down, but I still keep accumulating. And of course, also new cryptos that are upcoming, like Bitcoin Hyper, Token 6900. You can watch my tutorials videos. I'm gonna do also some updates about them. Those are all new cryptos that are upcoming that I'm bullish. Also Snorter on top of Solana. If you want to check them out, links in the video description, of course, and also watching my channel, the videos that I did about those tokens as well, how to invest into them, and of course also how to claim them later on, and so on. So check them out, guys. I salute you for now. The video is long enough. I'm gonna do other update videos on some altcoins because it's better to do dedicated videos, since otherwise it's too long. And of course, giveaway, I'm probably gonna select today the winner of the last giveaway of 1,000 subscribers. The next one will be at 2,000 subscribers. So share this video with all your friends, guys. Leave a like, subscribe, share the video, guys, because then we're gonna reach 2,000 subscribers, and then we're gonna do the next $100 giveaway worth of meme coins. All right, guys, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, be subscribed, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.